In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and play Fortnite on your iPad. Now, this is really easy to do. We just need to go and open up an internet browser, and from the address bar, go and type in fortnite.com and then go and press enter. Once you're on the Fortnite page, you can click on download from the top right hand side, and then if you scroll down, you'll see this option for play Fortnite, and over on the right hand side, you'll have these different download options. Now, theoretically, you can use any of these to play Fortnite, but the one that I recommend to choose is the Xbox Cloud Gaming Service, and this is by far the best way to play Fortnite on your iPad. So go ahead and click on Xbox and then select Play Now. You could then click on the green button that says Get Ready to Play, and you'll see the pop-up window add to home screen to play. So what we need to do is click on this share icon in the top right hand side of your browser, and then you need to scroll down and click on add to home screen. You can then press add in the top right hand side of this page. Now if you head back over to your home screen, you should now see the Xbox Cloud Gaming app. So we're just going to go ahead and open this up, and then you'll have the option to sign in. Click on this. You'll then need to sign in to your Microsoft account. Now, if you don't already have one of these, you can create one completely for free. You can just press the create an account button at the bottom of this page. Now, once you're signed in, it will take you over to the Xbox homepage. Now, all you need to do is click on done in the top left hand side of the screen. You'll then need to click on the green sign in button once again, and then just select your Microsoft account from the list. Once you're signed in, you'll see the button for play. Click on this, and now that's going to start loading up Fortnite on your iPad. So because this is cloud-based, it should only take a few seconds to load. If you don't see the play button, that will be due to your country or region. So you could try using a VPN, but right now this is only available to people in Europe, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.